Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Hey, yo, Dude and Dudette, say what up? It's your boy Dude Mungus, and we're back again. This little area on my porch is starting to be my unveiling area. But dude, I'm excited today. You guys see the title. I am not going to hold you too long, but I am just excited. Yes, we have another manufacturer that wanted to jump on and be a part of what Dude Mungus is doing on the channel and be a part of the build of the bat. The bat is my 2022 GSX-R 1000R. Did I say Suzuki? Suzuki GSX-R 1000R. I'm still getting used to the fact that I actually have a Gixxer. And you guys might, well, I guess you can't see, maybe I'll flip it up, but the title already tells what it is. But you might can see the tape here, but you know this is a serious unboxing when I bring out my samurai knife, bro. Like, I'm not playing no games when the samurai knife comes out, so it's about to get real. But anyway, man, I just wanted to give a shout out to AiM Dash, AiM Sportline, AiM Shop. I just wanted to give a shout out to literally the entire team, man. We talked back and forth for a little bit, and they got me this unit out so ridiculously fast, like my mind is blown. And when they announced this, I wanted this so bad, and when they released it, it initially released overseas, and I could not get it over here in the States. But I was like, yo, when this comes in the States, I literally want to be one of the first people with it, because I was like, I need it, because in my opinion, this was one area that the Gixxer was lacking. But we're gonna get into that episode a little bit later. I literally only have 2 gripes with the Gixxer, but this is one of them, but we will get into that a little bit later. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get to this unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, what you can expect in the box, and then the next video, we'll go ahead and do an install on it, and then we'll go through the menus and all that stuff. But let's go ahead and get to the unboxing of this new MXPS unit exclusively for the 2017 and up GSX-R 1000. We needed it, bro, because that LED, I mean, what was it, LED, LC, whatever it was, it just was not working. You know it's serious when the samurai sword comes out. Shoo-wah! All right. I am so excited to have this. My neighbor is blowing, they're blowing leaves. But hopefully that's not messing up with the sound that we got going on. All right, samurai sword can go up because we're done with that. All right, Dude and Dudette, so we had to switch this up a little bit. My neighbor was doing his full-blown yard service, and I was like, well, daggone, dude, I'm trying to do something here and unbox this beautiful MXPS unit from AiM Dash. Again, shout out to them for jumping on board. But oh my goodness, this is gonna be so much better than the regular screen. I cannot wait. It is really hard to contain my excitement. But let's see what this dash. Let's do this. Ooh, oh, the race kit. So the race kit includes the GPS unit where you can get your actual GPS speed, not an estimate of what the speed sensor is saying. It's gonna be the actual GPS speed. All right. Let's get this unboxed and we'll lay everything out on the table. Holy crap, I'm so excited. Oh, heck yeah. It's about to be dope. I don't know which one to take up open first. Let's get this race kit opened up and let's see what we got. See what we got going. Oh, slide it off. Slide it off. Let's see what this presentation is hitting. Bruh. Presentation is money. So I know from Hitman's bike, this is the actual GPS unit right there. It's the cable for the GPS unit. Plugs literally right into the dash. It's gonna be money. Oh, heck yeah. I think this is the data logging cable. Oh, snaps. Got some instructions here. Oh, got my AiM sticker. Oh, you already know. About to get to it. It's at least another 6 horsepower. Yeah, it's just simple instructions because this is so easy to mount up. But simple instructions. So yeah, this is definitely the mounting hardware for it. Super simple. So we will get that locked in. Wow. Wow. Let's see. Download user manual. So we will download this on the phone manually. But let's go ahead and get to the main reason we here, baby. This daggum dash. Let's go and get to it. Let's go and get to it. Here we go. The dash. This bad boy up. You think I got it upside down? This bad boy. I can't tell you how excited I am. I am. Ooh. Chill Mungus. Oh, dude, that is gorgeous. That's actually a lot bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller than that. Holy crud. Wow, it's got a good, not like heavy, but it has a good weight to it. This is gonna be easy to operate. Menu, looks like a forward or back button, quit, memory, okay. Oh, this is gonna be easy peasy. And the thing I like about this is it keeps all the factory lights and doodads you would normally have on there. And that's something I like. Oh, I cannot wait to fire this up and get this going. Holy crap. This unit here, and got some mounting software. So this is going to be, excuse me, mounting hardware. So this is going to be, this is it. This is a super stupid easy install. And the thing I love about this new unit is plug and play. Literally plugs in where the factory unit would, and dude, you'll be done. Holy moly. So let me lay everything out on the table so you guys can know what to expect. But oh my gosh, I am so excited. I still don't have the back yet from Justin from Atlanta Custom Wraps. That man is he is creating something very unique, and we're going to stand out even more. But let me get everything laid out on the table, and oh, this is going to be good. And that's it, Dudette. And you got your mounting hardware. This is literally all it takes to mount this. You're going to be good to go. Well, Dude and Dudettes, I am so excited. I'm not going to hold you guys too long. I literally just wanted to unbox this unit so you guys can see it and you would know what to expect when you order this unit and it comes in. Tell them Dude Mungus sent you by if you guys like what you see, because this is about to be a game changer. I'll wait till I get this installed and up and operating on the back. You guys are going to be surprised, because if you've seen what I've seen from Hitman's Dash, super impressed. So I cannot wait to actually get this going. But anyway, Dude and Dudettes, that's all I got for you this episode. I appreciate y'all rocking with it. You know who it is. It's your boy, DudeMungus.
Looks like a water. Thank you for watching, dudes. Namake. Namake. Thank you for watching, dudes. Namake.